Hello and welcome to Forbest Academy, and welcome back to our AMC preparation videos for the 2021 contest. This week we're going to be taking a look at 5 AMC 12 questions and breaking down the concepts needed to answer them. We're going to be starting this week with a logarithms question, and that is, what is the value of a for which 1 over log base 2a plus 1 over log base 3a plus 1 over log base 4a is equal to 1? Now we're going to start off today looking at the basics of logarithms and how they can be used, including the laws that we should know about them. And we're going to start off looking at log base 3 of 27. Now what this means is, what would I need to raise 3 to the power of to get 27? And the answer to that would be 3, because 3 to the power of 3 is equal to 27. So logarithm is a link between our base, our indice, and our final answer. There are a few laws that we should know with our logarithms. These can be our multiplication rule. Log base x of AB is the same as log base x of A plus log base x of B. We can also apply a division rule similarly, that log base x of A divided by B is equal to log base x of A minus log base x of B. We should also know a power rule, which is log base x of A to the power of B is the same as B multiplied by log base x of A. And the final rule we should know is how to change the base of a logarithm. And that is log base A of x. If we wanted to change the base of that logarithm to, say, a base B, that would become log base B of x divided by log base B of A. And those are the major rules and laws of our logarithms. We might use them all in this question, we might not use any of them. But let's get to our question and see our way to solve it. Now, the main issue we have here is we have log base 2, log base 3, and log base 4. So the first thing I want to do in this question is to change these so they're all the same base. I think we're going to change log base 3 and log base 4 so they are both log base 2. So what we'll do is we're going to change log base 3 of A into log base 2 of A divided by log base 2 of 3. In the same way, we're going to change log base 4 of A to log base 2 of A over log base 2 of 4. Now, remembering how logarithms work, we are asking the question here, 2 to the power of what gives me 4? Well, we know that 2 squared is 4, so therefore log base 2 of 4 is just going to be the same as 2. So we've now changed the base of those logarithms, so we're dealing in all log base 2. So we've got 1 over log base 2 of A plus, now here we're going to have a fraction within a fraction. We'll deal with these in a second, but I'm just going to write them out as they are for now. So 1 over log 2 of A over log 2 of 3 plus 1 over log 2 of A over 2. Now this point here, we're dividing by a fraction, so we can think of keep, swap, flip, keep my numerator, keep my first number the same, and simply flip my fraction around. So that will instead give us, in the middle here, 1 over log 2A plus log 2 of 3 over log 2 of a. The same with this one here. We have 1 divided out by a fraction, so we can simply flip that fraction upside down and give ourselves 2 over log 2 of a. We also now have a common denominator, so we can put all of these together into one single fraction, and that will be log 2 of 3 plus 3 over log 2 of a. So log 2 of 3 plus 3 over log 2 of a. And that currently is equal to 1, according to our question. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply up by my denominator, and we're going to get that log 2 of 3 plus 3 is equal to log 2 of a. Now, we're almost finished this question now. The last thing we need to deal with is the fact that our left-hand side, we currently have a log plus a constant. And what we'd really like is we'd like log base 2 on both sides and no constant. So what we're going to consider is that 3. And from earlier on, we know that 2 to the power of 3 is 8. So therefore, we can replace that 3 with log base 2 of 8, because we know that must be equal to 3. So log base 2 of 3 plus log base 2 of 8 is equal to log base 2 of a. We should remember from our multiplication rule, if I have log base 2 of 3 plus log base 2 of 8, that is the same as log base 2 of 3 multiplied by 8, which in this instance is 24, equals log 2 of a. Log 2 of 24 is equal to log 2 of a, therefore a must equal 24. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. And if there are any questions you would like me to go through, please comment below and I will make a video about them as soon as possible. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow.